Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. I am Lucas. I am very happy to see you. Today we have a fantastic video. The topic is how to speak English fluently. Many people want this. We will follow our friends Lily and Jake. They will show us their secrets. They use special, easy methods every day. It is not magic. It is practice. Before we start the story, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Okay? Perfect. Now let's make friends. Look at the comments below. Write, what is your name? And what country are you from? For example, hello, I am Maria from Mexico. Don't be shy. We want to see everyone. Are you ready to see secrets? Let's go.
Look at this whiteboard, Lily.
Wow, Jake. It is very big.
Yes, I wrote a new plan today.
Speak English fluently. That is a great goal.
Thank you. I want to speak without fear.
Me too. Sometimes I feel so nervous.
Don't worry, Lily. We are a team.
You are right. We can study together every day.
Exactly. Step by step, it is very easy.
Look at all these colorful flags on the board.
They show the countries I want to visit.
That is wonderful. English opens many doors.
Yes, it does. We need to practice consistently.
What is our first step, Jake?
Our first step is to have a strong motivation.
I have it. I want to make global friends.
Perfect. Let's start our big English journey now.
Good morning, Jake. The sun is so bright today.
Good morning, Lily. Yes, it is a beautiful morning.
Are you ready for our morning English practice?
Yes, I have my headphones and my smartphone ready.
Perfect. Today we are practicing the shadowing method.
Oh, I know this. We listen and repeat immediately, right?
Exactly. Like a shadow. It helps with our native pronunciation.
Let's start the audio file. Press play, Lily.
Okay. Listen closely. English is very fun and easy.
Wow, this is quick.
Try again, Jake. Listen and speak at the same time.
I love speaking English every single day.
Great job. Your rhythm and intonation are much better now.
Thank you. My tongue feels a bit funny, but I like it.
Haha, that is completely normal. Practice makes perfect.
Yes. Let's do this every morning during breakfast. Lily, listen to this beautiful song.
Oh, I love the rhythm, Jake. What is it?
It is an English pop song. I listen to it every day.
Music is so great for learning new words.
Yes, look at the tablet. I have the lyrics here.
Let's read the text together while we listen.
That is a smart idea. Look at this phrase.
Sing along and feel the music. That is beautiful.
It helps me remember vocabulary so quickly.
And it is great for our listening skills too.
Exactly. I learn idioms and real expressions from songs.
Let's sing the chorus together now, Jake.
1, 2, 3. I am flying high.
Haha. Your pronunciation in this song is perfect.
Thank you. Singing helps me feel more confident.
Me too. Learning with music is never boring.
Yes, it is the best way to study vocabulary happily.
I agree. Let's add this song to our playlist.
Brilliant idea. Let's listen to it one more time.
Shh, Jake. We are in a library. We must be quiet.
Sorry, Lily. Look at this interesting book about a friendly dinosaur.
It looks beautiful. Is it an easy English book for children?
Yes, it is. Reading children's books is amazing for vocabulary.
That is very true. The words are simple and very clear.
Let's try a new exercise. I will read one page aloud.
Great idea. Reading aloud helps with mouth muscles and confidence.
Okay, listen. The green dinosaur lives in a big, happy forest.
Your pronunciation is perfect. Now, let me read the next sentence.
Go ahead, Lily. I am listening to your beautiful voice.
Every single day, he eats sweet apples and drinks cold water.
Wow, you speak so smoothly. This reading method really works.
Yes. It helps us think and speak English much faster.
Let's borrow this book and practice at home every evening. Look at my phone, Lily. I finished my daily English lesson.
Wow, Jake. You got 3 gold stars. That is awesome.
Thank you. This mobile app is very fun and interactive.
What kind of games do you play on it?
I match new words with pictures and complete short phrases.
That is great for traveling. We are on the bus right now.
Exactly. You don't need a big book or a classroom.
Just 5 minutes every day can change your vocabulary.
Yes, look, here is a new question. Let's solve it together.
Okay. The question says, choose the correct verb for this sentence.
I think the answer is button letter B. What do you think?
Yes, you are right. Tap the screen, Jake.
Yay, we got another star. Learning on the go is perfect.
I love this app. Let's do one more lesson together. Cooking dinner together is so much fun, Jake.
Yes, it is. Today, we are making a delicious tomato soup.
Perfect. While we cook, let's practice thinking in English.
Thinking in English. How do we do that, Lily?
It is very simple. Don't translate words from your native language.
Oh, so I just look at an object and name it.
Exactly. Look at your hand. What are you cutting right now?
I see a red vegetable. In my mind, I say tomato.
Great. And I am stirring the soup, so I think soup.
Wow. This method helps to stop translating in our heads.
Yes. It connects English words directly with real objects and actions.
That is a brilliant way to build automatic speaking skills.
Exactly. Now, look at that bottle. What is inside it, Jake?
My mind says olive oil. Haha, this is working so well.
Oh, look at the sky. It is raining cats and dogs.
Don't worry, Lily. I have a big transparent umbrella for us.
Thank you, Jake. Walking in the rain is so romantic and nice.
Yes, and it is a perfect time to speak English together.
I agree. Speaking to a friend is the best way to practice.
Exactly. We can talk about our day, our dreams, or our hobbies.
It feels so comfortable because we are friends. I am not nervous.
That is the secret. Find a speaking partner and talk every day.
What did you do this morning before our study time, Jake?
Well, I woke up early, drank coffee, and fed my little cat.
That sounds like a wonderful morning. Your English is so fluent today.
Thank you, Lily. Speaking with you makes me feel very confident.
This English talk show is so interesting, Jake.
Yes, it is. Watching television is a great language exchange method.
True. We can hear how native speakers talk in real life.
Look at their hand gestures. They are so expressive.
I love listening to their natural accents and modern phrases.
Me too. At first, it was very difficult to understand.
But now we practice every evening and it is easier.
Exactly. Your ears need time to adapt to the speed.
What did that funny man say just now, Jake?
He said, "Don't worry, it is a piece of cake."
Oh, I know that idiom. It means something is very easy.
Yes, television helps us learn idioms in a fun way.
Let's watch one more episode and copy their favorite words.
Oh no, Lily. I made a big mistake just now.
What happened, Jake? Why are you laughing so much?
I wanted to ask the waiter for a sweet piece of cake.
And what did you say to him instead?
I said, "Can I have a sweet piece of cat, please?"
Haha, that is so funny. A piece of cat instead of cake.
Yes, the waiter was very confused. But then we laughed together.
That is totally okay, Jake. Mistakes are our best teachers.
You are right. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language.
Exactly. Never be afraid or shy. Just smile and try again.
It is better to speak with mistakes than to be quiet.
Yes. Practice is about communication, not about perfect grammar rules.
Thank you, Lily. Now let's enjoy our delicious cakes.
Look at this beautiful sunset, Jake. The city looks amazing from up here.
Yes, it is wonderful. And look at us, Lily. We are speaking English.
Wow, you are right. We are having a real conversation without any fear.
Our big journey was long, but we did it together as a team.
Yes, we practiced every single day and never gave up our goal.
Shadowing, reading books, listening to music, and using applications really helped us.
And we learned that making mistakes is totally normal and even funny.
Exactly. Now I feel so confident and happy when I speak English.
Me too. We can travel the world and make many global friends now.
Let's drink a toast to our great success and our future adventures.
Cheers to us, Jake. We can officially speak English fluently now.
Cheers, Lily. Hard work always brings fantastic results in the end.
Wow, what an amazing story. Lily and Jake showed us the real secret. To speak English fluently, you don't need magic. You just need simple daily practice. Remember their easy steps. Practice shadowing in the morning. Listen to your favorite English songs. Read books aloud to train your voice. Use mobile applications when you travel. And most importantly, never fear your mistakes. Mistakes mean that you are trying and learning. Be confident, just like Lily and Jake. Start small, but practice every single day. You can do it too, I am absolutely sure. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep practicing, smile, and stay positive. See you in our next English lesson. Goodbye, everyone.